This.
Wait, look at that shit.
Guys, that's Marvel. Guys, it looks like we're filming an apology video.
Hi guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been 4 months. But I'm very much alive. And we got 2 special guests here. We got Angie and Daniela. And in this video, as you guys can see, we have ingredients to make cakes. But we're gonna do the can't see,
Can't talk.
Can't hear.
I'm gonna do the can't talk first. Angie's gonna do
Can't hear.
there you
And
go.
then I'm like,
She can't see.
I can't see.
Let me hear some Ivan Cornejo.
She's all crying out girl.
She's like, damn it.
Down, that one hurt.
Is it loud?
Louder. Louder.
That's how it goes.
There.
You can't hear?
Whoa!
Angie? Fuck you.
Guys, this is a tape.
You guys are all using the same tape. I have it like this to try my front.
What?
Stop.
Guys, so we're gonna have 10 minutes on the clock, and every 10 minutes
Shut
we're gonna
up.
switch, and we have to finish it fast.
Wait,
Ready?
I don't know the steps.
No.
Guys,
You're gonna grab? Okay, open it.
this one?
Yeah.
I can't with the nail. Nails by Angie.
Yeah. First bowl.
Martin?
Mom! What? Suck.
Come on.
Rápida.
Wait, is it dry?
A ver, muévense. Okay. Ahora, pour.
Pour it?
No, you pour. You can't see, so you gotta pour.
Are you yelling at me?
Because I can't hear. Yeah, the bowl right there.
Yeah?
Yeah! Baby, me vuelve loco. I got you.
Wait, what is
Pour it. Yeah, right there. And right here. No, bitch. No, other way. Okay, right there. Yeah, go. Right there. Yeah. Chula,
Sí,
prendeme
sí, sí.
el porro. We need vegetable oil. Mami, borra las Ah, sí. Mote con las luces en rojo. Oh. Eyeballing it.
what he bought?
Oh, 3 eggs. 3 huevos. I don't think you could do it.
One each.
I got you.
One each. Where's my
Soy pro.
Did I make it?
¿Qué onda? Bitch! You got it on me, you whore! Can we just whisk it with the whisk?
No.
Oh, with this.
I can't see.
Ready?
No.
Mix, bitch! Right here. Oh, now we need the other one. I mix, and you make the other one.
Okay.
Go to the other side. Other side!
Yeah, box. What? I can't.
What is happening? Oh, we have to preheat the oven.
The microwave?
Que se quite la ropa, caramba.
What is it?
What is it? No mames!
Wait, what the fuck?
Move!
What? A huevo.
Amor. cerveza. Ah, me diste beso. A ver, otra vez.
Guys, we're gonna go preheat the oven.
See if this works. If it doesn't, then it's a fail.
Does it preheat it or does it like
Look, bake.
automatic?
You see?
I
And then,
Play Yvonne.
what is that?
don't know. There. Wait, but it's already on. It's already on though.
That's kind of scary.
Wait, I don't want to leave this on though.
I think it's good. It was going.
What if it burns?
Wait, we need to bring that pan.
This is a microwave oven. Guys, we're gonna switch now. It's been 10 minutes. Well, actually, it's been 7 minutes. We're gonna put the timer to 5 minutes though, because it took forever. I'm doing, what is this? Can't see.
Can't see.
She's in mute, and she's doing the music. This looks like I'm gonna go to Zumba.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, I can't see for real.
I started it, guys.
This hurts my eyes, guys. Where are the pans?
You got it!
We don't have a pan? Call your mom. Yeah.
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Angie can't talk right now.
Wait, is that her mom?
Really?
Is that her mom? Wait, where are the pans? Are you on FaceTime?
She can't talk. He can't see. I can't hear.
That's why she's talking loud. What? It's done?
Hang up.
Princess? The princess?
Stop.
The pans.
Stop. Mine stop.
The pans for the cake.
Pan? The pan? This is not my kitchen.
Blanco.
Oh, where's the pan? Huh? Where's the pan? Can you tell me what she's saying, Martin?
There's a white one somewhere, she said.
Tell her. That looks good.
You want to taste
What the? I think that's good. Martin. Let me see.
Okay, try it. Oh, I have some all over my bracelet. I can't see. Is it good?
Huh? Yeah, it's good. You wanna try it? Wait, I'm trying to find the
That way. Go.
We already started?
Good. Should we do chocolate or vanilla?
Both! Give me the other one. Give me the other one. I know what I'm doing.
What? Two. Okay. Wait, not like that. Not like that. First one. This one.
Guys, no way.
Okay.
Can we put both at the
Wait, we need a spatula. That's enough. Wait, no. Wait, add more of that one.
Add.
That one. Hey, that's enough. Okay. In the middle.
Where's the middle? Well, obviously I can't see, so I don't know where the hell the middle is.
Now we have to go downstairs.
Ah, hell no.
Open your mouth. No! She can't open her mouth. We gotta go put it in the oven.
Oh,
This is a lot.
that is. It's okay.
It's a lot of you're not getting us, by the way.
Oh, the models, guys.
Pizza? Pizza?
No, bitch. Is it hot? No. Yeah, it fits. I tried it.
You tried it out. There you go.
There you go, honey.
Let's first start.
And that's
Wait,
all.
how long?
Oh shit.
We're gonna check the boxes.
Like 10 minutes, 20.
Guys, we finished the cake. This is how it turned out. It was done in what? 20 minutes?
Literally with the microwave.
With the microwave? Guys, look at our marble cake.
It actually looks good.
Bro, that looks
the chorizo
bussin'.
with
That also looks bussin'. Guys, ready? Wait, look, it looks bussin'.
Yeah, but it's just that little part right there.
Yeah.
I didn't show that.
Okay.
Do it.
Ready?
Ready?
There you
Wait,
go.
look at that shit.
Guys, that's marble. We ate that
We
up.
actually ate that.
We cut it, and this is our marble cake. There you go.
I feel like that one's gonna look better.
To be honest.
Wasn't that the first one?
Yeah.
Oh.
It looks worse.
That's right.
Guys, this is our cake.
With
We're
mess in the
pros.
back.